A is for airplane. A is for apple tree. B is for bear. B is for ball. C is for cloud. C is for candle. D is for drum. D is for dinosaur. E is for eagle. E is for earphones. F is for fish. F is for fan. G is for gate. G is for grapes. H is for hat. H is for hammer. I is for ice. I is for igloo. J is for jeep. J is for jelly. K is for kangaroo. K is for kite. L is for leaf. L is for lamp. M is for mouse. M is for moon. N is for nail. N is for notebook. O is for orange. O is for owl. P is for panda. P is for pencil. Q is for queen. Q is for quill. R is for rain. R is for rainbow. S is for ship. S is for sun. T is for train. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. V is for violin. V is for vegetables. W is for window. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Y is for yellow. Z is for zoo. Z is for zipper.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kids Cartoon Bonanza.